Alright guys, so what we're doing today is putting a set of the Mopar, try to get in here out of the wind. These are the Mopar splash guards for the Jeep Wrangler JL. I picked these up used from a forum member, and I'm going to put these on the front of the JL. And the reason I'm going to do that is because these new wheels and tires stick out just a little bit from the fenders. And these front splash guards, I'm just going to do the fronts to give me a little bit more gravel protection for the doors down through there. So what you're going to need to do this is a hand riveter, and I got this Pittsburgh hand riveter. There's the item number. Got this from Harbor Freight. This thing was 16 bucks, and it came with the hand riveting tool, and it also came with the plastic rivets that you need to install these on the Wrangler JL. So let me show you how this works. Of course, here's the plastic rivets that you're going to use. These are the largest ones that are in this kit. They're the 6.3 millimeter or whatever, and they're the proper length. So here's the tool. This is a metal tool. Looks like a pretty good quality one. You just stick the end of it in there, and you put it into the hole and squeeze, and it sets the rivet for you. This one still has the little stud on the end that I haven't broken off yet. Here's the other one that I did. Went ahead and took that off. It's a piece of cake, guys. You just put this put the rivet in there and put this up there and squeeze just like that, and bam, it sets them. So I've still got two more to do back here. You know, these four you'll have to take out, because from the factory these four spots are used. So you got a trim tool like this, you can use that to take them out, or sometimes it's easier just to take a little drill bit, put it right in the center of the hole, and just drill it out, and then these things will pop right out real easy. Then you put your splash guard up here and set your new ones. Now back here there's one hole right back here that you'll have to drill, because there's no hole. See, there's no hole there from the factory, so that's no big deal. You just got to get a drill back there and drill those out. For that fifth hole, I may reuse my push pins. It came with these push pins in those spots back here, so I may just put this push pin in that fifth spot back there. But see how they stick out just a little bit farther, and they cover up that gap between the fender flare and the step rail. There's a little bit of a gap there, so these front splash guards will kind of protect the doors a little bit better from rocks and gravel. Okay, so that's a look at the splash guards and how you install them. Hopefully this will help somebody. Thanks for watching.